English, Grade 7, Tape Script 11.31.1.
What's wrong, Bopa?
I feel sick. I don't think I can go to school today.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Bopa, what's wrong? Is it your stomach?
Yeah, and my head, and my legs. And it's really bad.
Why? What did you do yesterday?
Not much. I just went to the shops.
Oh, yeah? Who did you do that with?
Just Tom.
Why?
Tom wanted to see my brother. Tom and Linda think he's cool.
You don't sound sick, Bopa.
Oh, but I am.
And where did you go after that?
We went to get something to eat.
What did you eat?
Just rice and vegetables.
That sounds okay. What time did you get home?
6. Then I watched TV.
So, what made you sick?
Hi, Bopa. Do you have your homework ready? Remember, it's really important. I didn't do anything yesterday. I only did my homework. Where's yours?
Well,
I think we know why Bopa's sick.
Tape Script 11.31.2.
When I was 10, I went and lived in a pagoda to help the monks. I remember my first day. I was very happy. I got a new bedroom. Other boys slept in there with me. They were nice. They helped me make my bed. But then they said, "There are ghosts here. Don't get out of bed. They are angry ghosts and they can hurt you. Remember, don't get up." I was so scared. I went to bed, but I didn't sleep. I listened for the ghosts. After an hour, it was dark. I couldn't see anything. Then, there was a big bang next to my bed. The ghosts! They were angry. They were sad too. I heard crying. They wanted to hurt someone. I was really scared, but I didn't get up. I stayed in bed. The next morning, I was very tired, but I was very happy. The night before, I stayed in bed away from the ghosts, and I didn't get out of bed once. So the ghosts didn't hurt me. I felt brave. The boy said, "We are sorry. There aren't really ghosts. We wanted to scare you, but you were brave." We were friends after that.
Tape Script 11.31.3.
Dallas. Who is important to you?
Lots of people. My family, my friends, and my neighbor.
What's your neighbour's name?
Sam.
Why is he important to you?
Well, we talk every day. He really listens to me. And sometimes we have dinner together as well.
When did you meet?
5 years ago. That's when Sam started living next door.
Moni, who is important to you?
I love my family and friends, but I love music too. Cambodian Space Projects is my favorite band, and Sray T is the best singer in the world.
When did you meet her?
Well, I didn't meet her, but I went to a concert, and I danced and danced. It was really cool, and she smiled at me. I think she liked my dancing.
What was your favorite song at the concert?
I am 16 years old. It's an old song by Rosalie Satir. She was great. She's my dad's favorite singer.
Chantu, who is important to you?
my teacher. She is great. She always tells me I can do anything. She makes me feel smart.
Do you study with her now?
Yes, I do. We have her for Khmer and French.
When did you meet?
Well, really, she's my mom and she's my teacher. I met her when I was born, I guess.
Panya, who is important to you?
I know, my best friend Nari. We do everything together.
Where did you meet?
We met on the first day of school. I saw Nari playing cards, and that's my favorite game too.
What do you like doing together?
We love going fishing, going for walks and swimming. Nari is better at swimming than me.